YouTube, it's me, Brim. This time I'm going to be singing a song called A Dark Congregation by the Hush Sound. A dark congregation of familiar faces gathered around the quiet earth. A red rose fell upon the soft snow. Praise were whispered so slow from our mouths. Our breath rose in the cold, like 100 souls escaping. Save me, I'm swallowed by the guilt of this. Sleeping in the dust, we will not let time erase us. We are surrounded by all the quiet sleepers inside the quiet earth. I feel that I cannot shape you, death against the face of the night. Our lips were cool as Kool-Aid, we couldn't speak anyway. Save me, I'm swallowed by the guilt of this. Sleeping in the dust, we will not let time erase us. Our breath rose in the cold, like 100 souls. We are alone. I know they're all gone. Take me, I'm swallowed by the guilt of this. Sleeping in the dust, we will not let time erase us. Thanks. I hope you enjoyed it.